you need a hairspray that adds volume and body to your hair, look no further. I've got your back. And you've got to check out the Color Wow. This is actually labeled cult favorite. And I finally tried it. I've been dying to try this. And it is so good. As you can see, I have very fine hair. So I'm always looking for something to add a little bit of volume and lift to my hair. I also highlight it. And this, yeah, it's definitely good for color treated hair. It is very fast drying. It's got a strong hold, but it doesn't leave your hair crunchy or crispy. You can still manage it and style it as the day goes on. So I'm going to spray it on and show you. Just give it a little spray. And then I just kind of like to, go through and uplift my roots here a little bit. And oh my gosh, my hair still feels soft and manageable. But the volume, especially, I like volume up here because that's where my hair tends to fall flat. It just lifts it right up and I love it. I've worn it with my hair up, so it's good for styling the hair as well, or just adding that volume to your hair. So add this to your daily routine. I think you'll love it. Try the Color Wow. I mean, they're not naming it a cult favorite for nothing. So anyway, I hope you guys have a good day. Take care.